Everything that's acquired during the marriage is presumed to be community property. And what that means is that it belongs to both of you, regardless of whose name it's in. So whenever you guys acquire money during your marriage, or you have a retirement that accumulates money, all that's community property. And when the court looks at the divorce and they're dividing all this property, it's all community property. So it gets divided between the two parties in a just and right manner that's equitable. Now, everything starts at 50-50, but there are changes to that. Somebody may make 3 times as much as the other one. So the one who makes less may end up with more than 50-50. But what's important to know is what is not community. And that's called separate property. But if you have separate property, it's your burden to prove that it's your separate property. And if you don't meet that burden, the court's going to consider it community. And what is separate in Texas is something that you inherited, a gift from someone, or something that you owned prior to your marriage. Now, there are ways to ruin the separate property character. Let's say I inherited $100,000 and I put that into a joint bank account, and it's been there for years and the balance has been up and down, and there's no way to trace what money went out and what money didn't go out, and that may lose the separate property character. So it's important for people that if they receive any inheritance or any gifts, they should put that money in a separate account so it's easy to trace it and you don't lose that separate property character of your money. Then when you get divorced, the court cannot consider that portion of the money when they're doing that division of the estate.